I wanted this video to be pretty straightforward. Here's some common size connectors next to the most common brackets. This video is just to help you pick out the brackets, see what their physical sizes look like before you buy any. This is one of my personal favorites. I use this in all my builds. These only snap on in one direction. Releasing these is really easy. Just put almost anything in between here, apply a little upward pressure, and it'll slide right off. If you've ever had 8-position DTs and wondered why none of the mounts work for them, it's because this is it. It's special just for the 8-position DTs. Again, these only snap on in one direction. And to release, all you have to do is push down on this Tang. This one has an absolutely massive 1/2-inch mounting hole. These accept the connectors from both directions. These two are identical except for the mounting hole. One's a 5/16, one's a 3/8, or an 8mm and a 10mm if you want. And same thing here again, you can place the connector on from either direction. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you on the next one.